thought to do a video. I haven't done a video for a minute. What's up? Hope you've been well, and whatever your goals are, hope you either reached it or working towards it. And in the meantime, you're being patient and putting in the work and knowing inside you're going to get there. I'm going to flip the screen now, and I'm just going to draw today. I've finished some animations on the channels. Just check them out. I've done a orange sweet and a three bears, which is my personal characters and the story of the Goldilocks and the three bears. That's a benefit of having your own characters. You can practice animating, selecting shots, and it beats the regular practice, because that gets boring. You can only bounce and move so much, you know. So been putting in the mileage, been improving, so that's a good thing. So I'm just gonna sketch, doodle, and see what we get. I don't know if you guys watched my previous videos about simplifying, but it helps you and it gets you far. It might seem frustrating at the beginning because it's not articulating well. You have a picture image in your mind, it puts the line down, and it's not conveying or relaying what you want it to. But the more you do it, the easier it gets, the simpler it gets. So this is from that. Look, I'll clean this up and then, but if you look on here, before I clean it up, it's literally darker. It's literally this. I'm gonna show you in simplified shapes. These are the shapes. It's got me that. And these will just become second nature to you. And you can flex your imagination and create all sorts of characters. Right? Just somewhere. and give them some plats. You can just put a layer over it, lower the opacity, and then make it a bit more neater than before. But you just need to learn to relax. These are just lines, you know. No point stressing yourself over them. Worst case scenario, you can use an eraser and erase it. You can press the undo button, or you can just delete the whole thing and start again. But when you get the chance, do check out the channel, the videos on it. But it's short, so check out the short section. And then if you're watching this video on the day it's released, it should be recent. The algorithm's not got me like that at the moment, so you can't just, I don't think it comes up if you just search it. Not bad. Not bad, not bad. This is just a short video, and I'm out. Laters.